Welcome to PhysioCare Anatomy Quiz. How many vertebrae are in the adult human vertebral column? A. 26. B. 33. C. 24. Correct answer is 26. Which region of the vertebral column has the smallest vertebrae? A. Cervical. B. Thoracic. C. Lumbar. Correct answer is cervical. How many cervical vertebrae are there? A. 12. B. 7. C. 5. Correct answer is 7. Which vertebra supports the skull? A. Atlas, C1, B. Axis, C2, C. 7. Correct answer is Atlas. How many thoracic vertebrae are there? A. 12, B. 5, C. 7. Correct answer is 12. The second cervical vertebra, C2, is called the A. Odontoid, B. Atlas, C. Axis. Correct answer is axis. Which region of the spine bears the most body weight? A. Cervical, B. Thoracic, C. Lumbar. Correct answer is lumbar. The sacrum is formed by the fusion of how many vertebrae? A. 7. B. 5. C. 4. Correct answer is 5. Which curve develops when a baby begins to lift its head? A. Lumbar. B. Thoracic. C. Cervical. Correct answer is cervical. The vertebra prominens is located at which vertebra? A. T1, B. C7, C. C5. Correct answer is C7. The coccyx is commonly known as the A. Hip bone, B. Tailbone, C. Backbone. Correct answer is tailbone. How many lumbar vertebrae are there? A. 12, B. 7, C. 5. Correct answer is 5. Which natural curve is found in the thoracic region? A. Kyphosis, B. Lordosis, C. Scoliosis. Correct answer is kyphosis. Write your score in comment section. Subscribe PhysioCare for latest quiz video.